Hi friends, you just listened to the story The Bad Seed. Now here's an activity about that. And thanks to Jory John from Teacher Paid Teacher, this worksheet is here to help us answer some questions. The first question is, how did the seed feel about himself at the beginning of the story? I want you to think about that. And maybe you could write a sentence or draw a picture to let me know how the seed felt about himself. The second question, did the seed always feel this way about himself? Can you explain that to me? Did he always feel this way? Yes? No? Write a sentence or you can draw a picture. The third question, what causes the seed to think of himself as a bad seed? Maybe you could draw a picture and tell me why. Draw some faces, some emojis, or you can write a sentence. Question 4. How did the seed feel at the end of the story? What do you think made him change his mindset? Remember, you can write or you can draw a picture to help explain how you know that the seed changed his mindset. I hope you all enjoyed the story. Thanks and have a great day.